Hello, friends. This is Raki. Welcome to my channel. I am glad you have visited here. I am hoping that at the end of my videos, I am able to help you in my small little ways. My channel is for Thosia, who wants to start a YouTube channel, B, who wants to grow their channel, and C, loves YouTube tutorials. One of them, please join in my channel through subscribing, commenting about your ideas, hit like button as well. Happy to be a part of your journey here in YT world.
Now let's begin.
How to grow your channel faster according to many famous vloggers. Number 1, who is your target audience? When you want to start your channel, basically this is the first question you should have to answer first. Only one of the group of audiences should be your target audience. Number 2 is what is your specific niche? After selecting your audience, and next thing is what specific topic you can offer to them that they want to learn and love to watch. Number 3 is research your topic. You of course want what is best for your audience, so you need to give them either answer, learnings, entertainment before, during, and after they watch your videos. Number 4, how you will film your videos. Plan well so that you can film 2 to 3 ideas or topics related to each other in one setting. In that way, you will have 2 to 4 videos to upload for that week. Less hassle and saves time. Number 5 is be consistent in your scheduled time of upload in a week, thumbnails so you have your own branding, and topic or niche so that other videos will appear in the up next videos after watching one of your videos. 6 is make your thumbnail clickable to increase your click-through rate or CTR, which will then make your YouTube recommend your videos to a wider or bigger audiences. 7 is optimize your title. Type your title in the YouTube search, then make use of its character's length, put tags on your title, and your title should have the keywords your audience might be looking for. Then 8 is optimize your description. Type in the upper part 3 hashtags related to the topic, then in the first paragraph type what is the topic really about, and make 3 to 5 paragraphs in your description. Number 9 is optimize tags. Type in your tags phrases related to topics and type in your channel's name and your niche. Number 10 is put end screen and end cards. End screen for your latest video, best for viewer, playlist, channel, links, and end cards for your other videos related to your topic. Number 11 is make a playlist of your videos. In this way, the algorithm will know which videos to recommend next, because if you are not going to put playlist, then other videos not yours will be recommended next to your video. And number 12 is learn to analyze your data in your Studio Analytics. Analytics will analyze everything about your videos, performance, and will give you ideas what needs to be improved still. Number 13 is use extension tools like TubeBuddy, vidIQ, and many more. There are free versions, but the paid one will give you the best results. Number 14 is call to action like subscribe, like, and bell all. And 15 is pin your own comments on your video, such as don't hesitate to comment and give your ideas and suggestions below. Here are my links related to this video. Number 16 is reply to all comments and check their channels as well, then comment, and then promote your channels after making 5 or more videos. Number 18 is grow your channel organically by following all these tips I get from different famous content creators here in YouTube. So number 19 is let us all be patient in growing our channels and avoid comparing our channels to others. So I hope you have learned something from this video. Thank you so much for watching. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe in my YouTube channel.